Two powerhouses of support and workflow, Zendesk and ServiceNow. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zendesk, seamless customer support for every business size. And on the right, ServiceNow, the enterprise ITSM and workflow orchestration powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, before we start throwing opinions around, let's get a big picture. We'll look at core focus, ease of use, customization and automation, integrations, pricing and value, scalability and enterprise readiness, analytics and reporting, AI and automation, and omni-channel support. Got that? Cool. Let's dive in.
First up, core focus. Zendesk is, all about customer service. If you want the best tools for helping people quickly, Zendesk nails omni-channel engagement and makes it super easy for SMBs to jump in. Now, ServiceNow? Oh, and here's something cool. It doesn't just stick to one thing. It's like the Swiss Army knife for ITSM, HR, facilities, the works. But honestly, if all you need is support, ServiceNow might feel like a lot. Zendesk can't quite replace those deep IT features, but it's more approachable. So both shine, but for different reasons. Not really a clear winner. So we'll call this one a tie.
Next, let's talk ease of use. Zendesk, honestly, it's just easy. The UI's clean, setup's fast, and you basically need zero training unless you're diving into advanced customization. It's made for people who want to get started and get stuff done. ServiceNow, though, yikes. It's got power features for administrators, but the interface, yeah, it's a beast to learn. You may need full-on consultants to help. So unless you're an enterprise juggling 20 workflows, Zendesk definitely takes the win here.
All right, now on to customization and automation. Zendesk gives you triggers, macros, quick automations, great for streamlining support stuff with minimal fuss. But okay, here's a twist. ServiceNow is like the king of serious workflow customization. Its automation designer lets you build out processes across IT, HR, whatever you want. And it even throws some AI and ML into the mix. Downside, pretty heavy setup, and you'll likely need developers. So, ServiceNow absolutely owns this category if you want to go deep.
Wait, quick fun fact. Did you know Zendesk started in Copenhagen, while ServiceNow was founded in sunny California?
Global origins, right? Let's get back to the showdown.
Let's move on to integrations. Zendesk. Wow, it's got more than 1,800 integrations in its marketplace. Social media, messaging apps, all kinds of third-party tools. No problem. But, fair warning, sometimes too many choices means you'll need to spend some time figuring out what fits. ServiceNow has fewer, around 1,000, but they're laser-focused on IT and enterprise connections. If you need social channels, Zendesk's got those natively. But ServiceNow might need custom work for some things. Zendesk edges ahead here, just by sheer variety and ease. Now, pricing and value. Zendesk keeps it pretty clear. Plans start at $19 per agent per month, and you can see all the tiers up front. Free trials, affordable for growing teams. So, no surprises. Advanced features do cost extra, but you can see what you're getting. ServiceNow, meanwhile, is, let's just say it's custom. Pricing is tailored. And while it may save money if you're huge, the setup and admin can cost a lot. A little opaque, if you ask me. For anyone who's not a massive company, Zendesk wins the value game.
Okay. On to scalability and enterprise readiness.
Zendesk grows with mid-market businesses and expanding support teams. Pretty smooth scaling. But when you want to roll out complex, cross-department automation, that's ServiceNow's playground. It'll handle IT, HR, security, and more at almost any scale. For simple orgs, it's probably way too much. But if you need deep, unified systems, ServiceNow is the winner here. Analytics and reporting is next. Zendesk gives you reliable customer support analytics and helps track agents, but maybe not the deepest IT data. ServiceNow, on the other hand, has robust enterprise dashboards for all your workflows. But some business users might find it overwhelming at first. So it kind of balances out. If you're support-focused or an analytics junkie, both options deliver. I'm going to call this one a tie. All right, let's chat about AI and automation. Zendesk uses AI to route tickets, suggest replies, and streamline customer service tasks. It's all purpose-built for support. While ServiceNow throws serious AI and ML optimization at enterprise-wide workflows, it does make setup trickier and needs more expertise. Zendesk slides ahead for most users, especially if you just want smart customer support that works out of the box. Last category,
Omnichannel support. Zendesk honestly crushes this. It's like one hub for email, chat, phone, social, you name it. The true omnichannel thing, all in one place. Its depth is focused on support, but that's usually what you want here. ServiceNow can do multiple channels, especially for internal portals, but social media? Not natively integrated, and the experience just isn't as seamless. So Zendesk is the obvious winner for omnichannel.
If you're more of a visual person, here's how Zendesk and ServiceNow stack up across all those categories. Zendesk's at the top for usability, integrations, pricing, AI, and omnichannel. ServiceNow rules when it comes to deep automation and scaling across enterprise needs. Some categories are neck and neck, but their strengths are pretty different. So, what's the verdict? Zendesk just nails straightforward, scalable customer support. If you're a small or mid-sized business, or you want a hassle-free omnichannel experience, it's your champion. But if your organization is super big and needs to automate IT, HR, facilities, and beyond, that's ServiceNow's wheelhouse, hands down.
Like these software smackdowns? Drop a comment and tell us which tools you want to see head-to-head next. Let's keep these epic comparisons coming.